Let's be honest. This verse hits different when you're staring at a to-do list that looks like it was written by 5 people. Laundry's calling, emails are piling up, and your brain is buffering like a bad Wi-Fi signal. Weary? Check. Burdened? Double check. Jesus isn't saying, "Come to me once you've figured it all out, cleaned your kitchen, and achieved inner peace." Nope. He's saying, "Come to me exactly how you are. Messy bun, overwhelmed heart, running on caffeine and grace." In a world that glorifies hustle and burnout, Jesus offers something radical, actual rest. Not just a nap, though yes, Lord, we receive it, but soul-deep restoration. A rest that doesn't depend on everything being perfect, but on us being present with Him. So if your mind is loud, your spirit is tired, and your body is on autopilot, Jesus is not just giving an invitation. He's giving a way out of the madness and into peace. Every time I find myself overwhelmed and just seeming like I can't get a break, I stop and repeat this. If His burden is easy and His yoke is light, whose burden am I currently carrying? This helps me slow down and come back to a play of realizing I'm taking on my own burdens when I'm supposed to cast them on the Lord.